Hey guys, this is our Writing with Phonics page 47. Alright, so first we're going to practice writing the letter F. Make a candy cane with a push across. Candy cane with a push across. And then keep going. For the lowercase r, pull down with a half hump. Pull down with a half hump. Letter G, lowercase, a ball with a monkey tail. A ball with a monkey tail. Lowercase d is a ball, push up, pull down. A ball, push up, pull down. Alright, flip over on the back. The letter J is a monkey tail, lowercase with a dot. Monkey tail with a dot. Next, we're going to write the blend J for jet. Monkey tail with a dot. Push across, up, and around. I want you to finish writing these, okay? Next, on your math sheet, this is number skills, page 55 and 56. You're going to write the after numbers. So if we have the number 7, what comes after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do one more with you. 1, 2, 3. What comes after? 4. Very good. You're going to do the rest. All right, next you're going to add 1. So if you have 4 dots and you add 1 more, how many is that? 4, 5. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. If you have 1 dot and you add 0 to it, how many do you have left? 1. Good. What time is it? You're going to look at the hour hand. And then remember, 0, 0. So I want you to try those all by yourself. You're going to trace these numbers. Then on the back it says, look at the picture and count and write how many of each. So let's look for the Christmas trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would write the number 5. Then you're going to look at the snowmen, the snowflakes, the hats. Ooh, be careful, might be tricky. The buttons and the scarf. Ignore this part because you are not in here with me for me to do this with you. All right, guys, good luck. I hope that you enjoy working on your own. Miss Hendry's not doing it all for you.